Hi, it's Jonathan from Autochair. Today I'm going to show you our SmartLifter LM series in the back of a Ford S-Max. So the LM series uses a webbing strap to do the lifting. The height of the hoist is adjustable and so is the length, and we do this LM series in two different versions. One is a fixed version which doesn't have this red lever, so it means that the hoist is set at a set length and height. The other is a folding version which enables the lifting arm to fold down into the car, and that is required in certain vehicles like hatchback type vehicles or where the boot is very sloped. So in order to fold it, you simply lift the end of the lifting arm slightly, press the red lever, and that will enable the hoist arm to fold down. To get the hoist arm back up into position, you simply lift it all the way up. It will click into place and lock where it is. So this car, because we have plenty of headroom in the vehicle, we don't need the folding element, so that's what I'm going to show you today. So for this hoist we're going to lift this chair, which is called a folder-like trekker. So we've already fitted lifting points to it, one on each side of the wheelchair, which are located down here. So as I said, this is one of the folding type power chairs. So all I have to do to load it in is fold the backrest. There's two catches on the back which are squeezed together, which enables the chair to fold. And then it's a case with the hoist, we turn it on with the power button, and we've got the four-way handset, so up, down, in and out. So all I'm going to do is power it out of the car, and I bring this round so that it's all the way out, and then I can lower the spreader bar down to the chair. So from here you can lower this down to the chair to attach the fixings. So it's one on either side. Press the up button, and because this is on a webbing strap, you may need to steady the chair to keep it away from the bumper, especially depending on how the car is parked. But obviously we set the hoist so it eliminates most of that work. So from there we just press the up button. That will lift the chair up, and all we're doing is taking this orange line up to the stop point. So it's up to there. Rotate the chair by hand to face it into the car, and then press the in button. So this is a powered rotation into the vehicle. All I'm doing is guiding the chair as it goes round. Excuse me. So you go all the way around into the car, lower it down onto the floor, put the hand controller, which is just on a magnet, onto the hoist arm, turn the hoist off, and then if you have a restraint system, which is a seatbelt system to stop the chair flying forwards in the case of a crash, then it can be pulled out, looped around the chair, and then it clicks in to its receptor on the opposite side of the vehicle. Shut the boot, and away we go. Thanks for watching.